What's up, guys? Today we are gonna do some trolling in public lobbies with, I think that I call the troller. Basically, how it works is we're gonna go climb up all the way up there. I'm gonna do it right now. Okay. Now I put a dupe here. And now place it here. Take controller. And imagine there's someone. Imagine there's someone walking out of the safe zone. There's this thing aiming for them, man. Bam. So this is gonna work like that. So let's get straight.
Best
Oh.
Yo, NT3Y, where are you?
Dupe.
NT3Y.
Does anybody know how to do? Here's a glowing revolver.
That's how we got the phone.
Get out of debt. Oh my god, mate. Papa, tomorrow check the Starbucks.
My, how
Who
would
the hell did he? Who the hell did he? Want to do a movie, guys? Hello. What do you want? You want to do a movie?
Yo!
Wait, yo, could I have that? Yo, could I have that? Could I have it?
Join the code 555 for a fun game.
Wait,
For a what?
For a what? What is it called again?
The code is 555.
What's that? What does that do? Like, what does that do? This, my range? Yeah.
You were walking by me.
But what does it do? Like, what does it do? Like, I never knew.
Gather tomatoes.
Does it kill people?
What?
What? Does it grab people? Does it grab things for you?
Here.
Alright, let's go. What am I doing? Oh, why did you
Yeah, I'm going to the public. I'm going to the public.
What?
I'm going to private. I'm going to
I said
the
I'm
private.
crafting
I'm
the-
going to the
yeah,
private. I need to
the
drink stuff. Wait, can you give me hang on?
Here, Lee, give me.
Guys,
Guys,
if you want to
trade, join the code
trade, all
E1. I can damage you.
If you want to trade, join the code EI1. Wants to trade, wants to trade, wants to trade. Who wants to trade?
Okay. Okay. So join the code. Join the code 111. How would I know?
Yeah, I should do one of them. Alright, you want
I'll give you something. Can you touch it? Can you touch it? Don't you?
Don't you dare! Mine now.
Where's my?
Oh my god, I sniped him, bro.
I'm joking. I'll give you
Oh my god. Okay, that's shot.
Little Jimmy! Calm down! You're not getting it?
what code?
You're not getting it? You're just recording?
Bro, I'm not
You're not getting it?
recording you. I'm looking.
Wait, where are you? Where are you?
You're not getting it now? I know you're just recording.
No. Wait, this thing can curve.
B. It's going down the sewers now.
No way you just.
Come here, bro. Come here.
Do you want to know where it is? It's down that sewers. You might want to go get it.
I'm gonna go
Okay,
get
I'm
it.
retrieving, bro.
So who was trying to?
You know what, bro? I'm told. Bro, are you serious right now, bro? Bro, come. Do you know why I have this in my hand? Look at the stump branch right there.
Okay.
Go on. You're gonna see something.
Activate it.
My name's Captain.
No, there's no ammo. There's no.
Friend
there's no
me,
ammo
then
left.
join me, okay?
Oh, okay.
We're going to the next lobby. What the fuck is that?
Hey, girl.
Nah, bro, don't you dare. Yeah, Capdog 6161. Just join me.
Okay, guys, next lobby.
Bro. Down. Jay, hier is het plan. Jay, ik laat hem mij killen en dan kill jij hem.
Actually, in this lobby, there's some people that get out of the safe zone, like right there. So you know what? I'm gonna place 2 rockets. 2 rocket launchers for the 2 place. No, I forgot the goop. Okay, let's.
I'm 13.